Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred two Kashmiri youth in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir on the second day of Eid al-Azha today. The youth were martyred by the troops during a cordon and search operation in Vandakpura area of Pulwama district. The troops snapped internet service in the area and conducted searches. Senior APHC leader Professor Abdul Ghani Butt, addressing a public gathering at Botingo in Sopore, Baramulla, warned the international community against leaving the Kashmir dispute unaddressed. He said, surrounded by three nuclear-armed powers, Pakistan, India and China, Jammu and Kashmir warrants peaceful settlement, as war only brings destructions. However, he made it clear that peace can never be achieved in vacuum and urged the UN Security Council to facilitate a dialogue process between Pakistan and India to resolve the Kashmir dispute once and for all. Another APHC leader, Agha Sayyid Hassan Al-Musfi Al-Safwi, while leading Eid prayers at Imam Barga in Budgam, threw light on the philosophy of sacrifice on Eid al-Azha. He greeted Kashmiri Muslims on the occasion. Meanwhile, in the ongoing spree of depriving people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir of their land and property, the Modi regime has attacked 4 more homes and 3 vehicles on baseless charges in Srinagar, Ganderbal and Pulwama districts. In 2021, Indian police has seized 75 vehicles, 5 houses, 6 shops under the Black Law Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. On June 21 this year, police had attacked 5 homes in Srinagar. In India, amid rising Hindutva tide, the Bharatiya Janata Party-led Karnataka government has ordered a strict ban on cow slaughter throughout the state on Eid al-Azha. Congress and Communist Party of India Marxists have criticized the ban, saying the notification in this regard is clear motive to hurt the sentiments of Muslim community and to appease the Hindu community.